All right, hello everyone. Welcome to our fixing and modifying golf carts playlist. So today what we're doing is we're going to be installing this shunt. This is a Victron. Here's the instructions. It's real simple. What we're doing is has a lot of features on here, but we're only going to do this first page. It has a whole second page with temperature sensors and stuff that plugs into other controllers and everything like that. It does second battery hookups. But this is the IP65. There's a couple different models when I was looking at these. They have one that has the connectors on the front, and those ones were like plug-in, but this one's a sealed one. See how the wires are sealed in there. So I got the sealed one because we're putting it in the batteries, and it's going to be dusty and nasty in there. So this is one we're going to install. So it's got some safety things here. Don't be dumb or else you're going to die. Let's get this put in. Okay, so I'm going to pull these two bolts off. You get a washer, lock washer, bolt on each side. This side is your battery in. So you hook your battery to here, and this is load. You're going to hook your load, your solar panel, everything to this side. Everything load related or charging goes with this side, battery goes with this side. This only has one wire coming off, makes it so easy. Just a positive wire that gets its negative from here. These are the extra wires. They tape them up. They're just going to hang off the side here. We'll pull this off. Put this on here. We take our negative over to here. Not the prettiest wire. It's what I had laying around. When I put the lithium-ion batteries in here that I have, I'll have a bunch of extra of these new ones, so that'll be nice. But for now, get this thing on the road so we can test it. So here I'm putting all my negatives back onto here. I've only pulled off just one. This is going to the drive motor. Use that. Hook this to here. Then we're going to hook up the drive motor and also our solar panel. I should put some connectors on here, but I just haven't done it yet. Alright, this one here is not quite big enough for us. I'm going to ream that out just a little bit more. Alright, snug these down. Snug this one. Pull this one off. Now we're on, we're powered up. It's got the Bluetooth coming on, the Victron Connect. Just put this app on your phone. It says the battery's 100%. We got our amps, everything on here. So there you go. We're gonna put some double stick tape in here, clean up the wires a little more, and we're gonna test this real quick. Okay, so this is a GPS speedometer I put on here. It's so simple. I didn't even make a video about it. I just added on to this one because it's just a USB. Plug it into the power. It's got a suction cup. Pop it on there. It's adjustable. Nice big screen. Miles per hour. It does kilometers as well. And so this is your compass. I installed this here. It's got all my lights, which is pretty sweet. So let's take a ride. Here we go. 215 amps, 134. Real-time power usage. You get your voltage. You got your amps and your watts on there. This is going to be real fun when it's done. Hit the solar panel tomorrow because it'll tell us how fast is the charger. We're going to watch the differences. 6 miles an hour. Woo! We'll try to figure out how to get a better view of this, but it works. So, pretty exciting. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully we get this going up the mountain pretty soon. Remember, like, subscribe, and our $1,000 giveaway when we hit 10,000 subscribers. All right.